Let's start with Office and Smart Working. First, you need to select for which partner would you like to fill out the form for. As you do that, you can then proceed to fill in the information. Under Number of Project Workers, please insert the number of project workers. Under Country, please indicate the country where the office was located. In the next bracket, please insert the office average surface area. In the next segment, please choose the type of office. Under Energy Saving Practices, please indicate if there were any energy saving practices in place. You are free to use the description box to add any relevant comments or information. For each of your workers, please indicate the number of hours they worked on your project. Under dedication, the percentage of allocated time on the project, the percentage of work from home and work from office, online conferences, online research, other online uses, and work from home.